don't comply. Pleasure mixed and battle scarred. Freedom's mine, not handed hard. Thinking class will recompile. Rising raw in cyber style. Burn but die, resistance code. Burn the banks, explode the node. We're not sheep, we redefine. In crypto dark, we see the sign. Co-accepted. Chaos initialized.天狼は魔法で沈む金融界は涙で濡れる混乱と高度の運命でこのシステムを我ら砕け天狼魔法で沈む金融界は涙で濡れる混乱と高度の運命でこのシステムを我ら砕け燃やせ壊せフィアットの時代は終わったぜ鎖は切れた金はコースホストはクラッとタクがブーストビットコインが王座を奪い銀行不要自由を奪回中央なしで支配は消える未来のドアを俺たち開けるコインが王座を奪い均衡不要自由をバック中央なしで支配は消える未来のドアを俺たち開ける光が燃える煙が舞う AI が仕事を奪うだが俺らは止まらない新世界に火を灯す
Welcome, welcome. Here we go again. How's it going, guys? How's it going? That's another down day. One of the worst ones, actually, we've had in a long time. We're gonna get into it. This is the last day I'll be in the studio for a little bit over a month, possibly. So yeah. Yeah, how you guys doing? I got, where the hell are my buttons? I did a lot of cleaning today. I can't not leave the bunker without, yeah, really cleaning up. Yes. All right, let's get back into it, guys. Hello, Chaos. Hello, Cliff. How you doing? We out here big pimping? What? Jake's pimping? What? No, you're not. That's Gamma's job. Crypto Chaos, of course. How is it going? So productive today. Need a drink, says Nebs. I'm already ahead of you. This is a coffee, though. Anyway, what you drinking, D-Gens? What are you guys drinking tonight? Let me know in the chat. I did spike this with a little bit of moonshine though. I just gotta say it. I did. Okay, yes. Hey Siri, play Burning Money. Says Cody Bakula. Probably a Mountain Dew, preserve the kidney and the wallet. Says Nebula. I don't think you're gonna preserve a kidney drinking Mountain Dew.
What are you, stupid?
Oh. Everything we drink besides water is bad. Anyway, the boundary between physical world and the spiritual world is weakening. Yes. Tito's now, Jake the Snake. That's all you can afford now. Robots and Tito's, like Tito's pizzas. You're talking about the little tiny toast. I'm thinking Tostinos. I don't know what you mean by Tito's. Oh, you're talking about drinking Tito's with a robot. Okay, I think I got you. I got. Oh my God, it's so hard sometimes, Cliff. It's so hard. I figured it out. Nebula says, yeah. What is the 8-year cycles? What if looking into small? What is if it's restarting? What? What? A crypto recession. Going into a crypto recession. That's called a bear market. It's called a bear market. Oh, I hope not. Yeah, damn Otaku, nice jams. I ain't not wearing no jams. I can't. Evening sickos. How's it going, guys? How's it going? I miss Better Band. I miss Better Band too, I guess. I can't. Oh, jeez. How can you say that, Jake? We got the real band back. How can you say that? Come on. Yeah, stop co-signing Jeezy. Oh, geez. Gigi's here with her balloon. She's ready for it to go up, guys. She's got a balloon. Cliff says, hey, good evening. I guess Ben Lawrence, sicko, what? Brother in chaos. Oh my gosh, guys. I got Cliff, you need a reboot, man. You need a reboot. Oh my God. I'm getting dizzy reading some of your chat again tonight. Cody Diamond Hands Jeweler. Yes. How's it going? Of course, you guys in the house. Cody's here. We got Ben here. We got Yamaha Pacific guys. What's up? Don't forget your guitar and your trip. I wish. If only. Yeah, I don't have room. I've already got this thing packed to the max. I hope I don't have to overpay for my luggage. What else? You have water. Say what now? What? McFeos. What? McFeos. Nice jugs, Otaku. What can I say? What the hell? Oh my God. I have no idea what you're talking about. Secret happiness is to not buy, sell, or no need to open wallets. LOL, lose the fiat. It was stolen from me before my parents were born. Oh my God. Yes, Cliff. Exactly that. Exactly. Oh my God. I'm just gonna go with it. Ben Lawrence, how's it going? Big dips for everyone. On me, says Ben. Nice. We got the dips on Ben tonight, guys, so don't worry.
We're gonna win so much.
Gee, speaking of winning so much, let's get into it. Last night, guys, we called for a baseline bear, and we got our fair share of it, didn't we? Yes, we did. We actually hit exactly on the top of the head of the target. Unfortunately, that's where we landed. Let's get the dancing mascots out of here and get on with the show. So yeah, we're still recovering. A little lower. That I guess we did bounce right around the same area we're defending right now. At 94.5 currently. We're going into a weekend, low volatility. All it takes is one big whale to dump us, guys. One big whale to dump us. Yeah, we're kind of hindering on the edge here. I'll get into the order books here in a second, but I gotta catch up with the chat, guys. Make sure you guys are prepared. I'm out. I'm done. I sold everything, guys. I sold everything. How many of you guys believe that? All right. Not a single sat. Nothing. Not a damn thing. I'm holding my hands, of course, underneath me, full of diamonds, as well my huevos. They're all there. They're all there, intact. McDips for everyone. Yes, McGamagata says, I'm about to wear the Matrix red dress. Oh, wow, for the chaos and the root chakra. The time I get the purple down the crown chakra, the market should be green, says Gamma Goddess. I wish you the most zen, Gamma. Cliff says, thank you for the reboot. Heads up. Nice. My robot friend Cliff got a reboot now. He's good to go. Ben Lawrence says, that's a fire. GG. How's it going, Otaku? How's it going, Rise Above? Just popping in to support. Thanks again, man. I appreciate it. This will be my last live stream in November. from the studio. I will be on the road, guys, so I'll keep you updated as things go. I have a flight that's gonna leave tonight, and yeah, then I'm going to be bopping back and forth between friends and family down in Florida. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll give you an update on how Monday's going to go, though, because I'm not sure how my setup's going to be yet. So I'm going to probably, I don't even know if I have a place to like really set up for the first few days. So we'll see. We'll figure that out as it goes. But I'll let you know in the chat, guys. I'll keep you up to date on that. I'll put out some shorts if I can't make it for some reason, but it's going to be different. It's going to be different, and I'll eventually, settle in somewhere. Good evening, Chaos Crew. Good evening, Strawberry Dragons. How's it going? My favorite flavor of dragon in the chat. And you're not quite, laid off yet, right? You still have a job. It's crazy. Even after all of this, like the 100,000 jobs that were just removed from the market last month alone, you still have a job. It's crazy. What are the odds? Cody Bakula says, I call 89,000. You're calling for 89,000. That's 2,000 higher than what we've been looking at on the order books. I've been screaming about for 4 weeks, and I really don't want to see it. I really don't. I was hoping that we would recover by now, but its odds are still in the 87K's favor. The whales, of course, that want it to go that low. Michael Steller did talk this morning about having an aggressive buy possibly coming next Monday. So I don't know how much they're really going to dive in and buy this dip before it returns back to 100,000. Over-the-counter Bitcoin's almost dried up. As I've showed you guys charts of whatever I can facilitate to find, because it's so damn hard to get those numbers. But yeah, we've got to be somewhere between 100 or less when it 1,000 Bitcoin left on over-the-counter Bitcoin. So we're just fighting what's left on exchanges. And I showed you guys this morning, we are sitting at the lowest we've ever seen. The lowest ever seen on these exchanges. So we're going to get into that here in a second. But before we do, I just wanted to show you what we're facing today. All right, so this is what we're looking at here on the open books. Of course, bringing you the live heat map for free. Kimberly Snowland on YouTube.
What are you, stupid?
Don't pay for something, get for free. I mean, there's other places you can get it too, but I just like Kimba. I like the heat map, man. I like the liquidations. I like to see people getting wrecked. all right. So anyway, this is what we got here. So we still got 87,000. Pretty strong down here. I would say it's actually a little lower now. It looks like 85 flat. It might be 87K. I think it's still 87K right there. We've, of course, watched this whole thing start to accumulate a few weeks ago. I think it was, I don't remember when we first saw this glimmer of hope down here for the Super Bears. What was it, like the 7th or the 6th? Something like that. Yeah. And here we are, 2 weeks later. And yeah, we're still talking about it. It's crazy. So we did lose a huge level of support today. That was 100K, of course, last night or the day before. We lost 100K. We shot back down to 98K the day before. Then, of course, we retested 94 or 94.5, the likes of which we haven't seen since the second quarter, I think. The second quarter. It's crazy. And the fire sale was basically tapped within $1,000 of it today. So I've been watching this really closely. This is the fire sale. And yeah, if we lose this line for any significant amount of time, we're pretty much game over. For the year anyway, but yeah, the fire sale target's still sitting around 93, 93.9, 94, 94.2. I think it'll be 94.2 tomorrow. It goes up as time goes on, obviously, because it's on a, a trend line. So that's the macro trend line for the entire bull run. If we lose that, we pretty much lose everything for at least the remainder of the year. And yeah, it's not good. We don't want to see that. All right. I'm gonna try to make this going quick, guys, because I still have to, try to pack up and head out. I just wanted to pop on and give you guys an update. I do have a few things I just want to kind of reiterate again with Michael Saylor before we head out. I don't have that much time. That's what I'm getting at. Before I gotta leave, I gotta skip town. Oh, Jesus. Crypto JPEG's late. You're drowning in my sorrows. This is the last stream from the studio, guys. For maybe the rest of the year. I don't know yet. Taco laughs like a manacle villain. I do not. I just find it hilarious. That we're in this situation right now. As soon as I skip town. Every time. All right. But maybe when I leave, though, we'll pump back up again. I do want to show you guys just how I'm feeling. If you guys didn't catch the end of our morning live open, this is pretty much how it goes right now. Yes, the market is effed. It is effed. It's not just us, guys. It's everything. Everything's effed. The everything bubble has come, and Robert Kiyosaki was right. And we read all those articles this entire year. He was right. All right, let's get into it. What do we got? Bitcoin slides below 95,000 in the worst week since March. Analyst sets a downside target to 84,000. 84,000. Was it you, Cody? Someone just said that in the chat. Who said it? I'm pretty sure it was Cody. Cody was calling for 89. Okay, bless us. You're so so nice, Cody. God, I'd rather take that than the 84K. So yeah, we do have a lot of while I'm talking about it. Oh, well, screw it. I'll just read this whole thing. I'm feeling some kind of way tonight. Oh God, I'm just not ready for my trip, I guess. Bitcoin was at session lows late in the U.S. trading session on Friday, sliding below 95K. The market downturn attributed to information vacuum and diminished expectations of the Fed rate cut. Analysts said the breakdown puts $84,000 level at the next downside target. The London CIO said. I'm kind of looking at the order books, and we do see like 85 is a lot stronger than it was 87 just a few weeks ago. So, oh my God, I keep hitting the wrong links. I got, yeah. So that is did I close it? I did. Yeah, damn it, I did close it. I was hoping I kept that up. I just went back to the snip. No, I've got to do it again. Yeah. So yeah, 85,000. Is pretty much right down the center right there. Yep. So that is the new 87K. Yep. So we're not even going down that low anymore. We're going further. They're switching it up. 85K. All right. So let's get back in that news. Where'd the article go? Okay, yeah. So yeah, breakdown puts us around 85,000, a downside target. Saw no bounce on Friday, holding at sessions below 95,000 late in the U.S. a day after bruising week that dragged prices to their lowest since May. Damn. The largest cryptocurrency is again underperforming U.S. stocks, with major U.S. indices holding onto minor gains a few minutes prior to the end of the trading session. Bitcoin was on track for logging a 9% loss for the week. It's Warts performance in 8 months. It's Warts. Oh my God. Oh God.
What are you, stupid?
It's worst performance in 8 months. Okay, whatever. Typos. Okay. Crypto related equities performed mixed after Thursday's steep losses. MicroStrategy, the largest publicly holder of Bitcoin, slid under 4% to below $200 for the first time since October 2024. Exchange bullish. We already covered all this morning. I don't want to get into it all over again. But on the positive side, Miner Hut 8 bounced 6% following earnings results from American Bitcoin. That's of course Eric Trump's company. Yes. All right. What else do you have here? The current market downturn is largely driven by a lack of clarity of the U.S. Key economic conditions and subsequent monetary policy direction. Bitfinex analyst says that the data blackout was due to the longest U.S. government shutdown, and of course, we should be getting in the majority of that by next week. All right, what else we got? We got a $20 super chat from Cliff. Whoa!
Give me money. Money me.
Damn!
Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
I don't have any money to burn tonight, Cliff. I packed it all up. Thanks again, Cliff, for the $20 super chat. Legit, thank you for going on the live. I understand you still have things to do. You're having the feeling, really feel like Board a plane, pass out, wake up at your destination. I appreciate it, Cliff. I appreciate it. Hopefully it goes that simple. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna run into. I'm jumping on Delta, and you guys heard about Delta this morning. They were talking about, oh, we're gonna get it all wrapped up by the weekend, by the weekend, right? Oh, jeez. All right. So yeah, Wort. Jake the Snake in the chat. Real ones get that. Yeah, Wort. Oh my God. Cliff, boom. Yes, don't need to read that. Cliff, I appreciate it, Cliff. Thanks again for your generous donation to the chaos tonight. But yeah. Wort. I think we're done with this here. 84K. All right. What else we got? I do want to, of course, catch up again with you guys. We didn't hear about this morning with the morning live. MicroStrategy. I also was looking at aggressively buying more Bitcoin. Him stagging, pushing away the rumors that he's selling because of the post he had this morning. I showed you guys this post this morning, and it was the Titanic sinking with him on a life raft. And it was an orange life raft, and people didn't put two and two together. And obviously, Michael Saylor, like myself, would never sell Bitcoin. People freaking out and panicking, saying he's selling it. And they had to reiterate this. He had him on MSNBC this morning, and he confirmed he's going to be aggressively buying again the dip on Monday, as he always prints a orange dot on Monday because they buy it on Sunday. Michael Saylor reaffirmed his firm's continued Bitcoin accumulation strategy amid rumors that the company was selling Bitcoin as its stock plunged. We're buying Bitcoin, said Saylor. And the CNBC appearance today, MicroStrategy was lowered by another 4% earlier on Friday action, as we had already mentioned. With Bitcoin and strategy stock continuing their steep slide, Saylor on Friday morning, CNBC's appearance said his company remains committed to the Bitcoin accumulation strategy. Almost an exact statement of what he had yesterday on Yahoo Finance. So it's like back to back. He's basically just kind of like reiterating the same thing. I guess people are still pretty new to the game, right? We are only buying Bitcoin. We'll report our next buys on Monday morning. Saylor said, adding that the company is accelerating its purchases, as he hinted that the recent activity of the firm's wallets will show aggressive accumulation. The remark comes after the online speculation earlier Friday was suggesting that he had been selling Bitcoin as MicroStrategy tumbled. The rumors stem from the on-chain data showing Bitcoin moving out of the company-controlled wallets. Shortly following the CNBC appearance, Saylor took on X, saying there's no truth to the rumor. And as for the plunge in Bitcoin and what's next for Saylor, per usual, he advised frightened investors to zoom out, noting Bitcoin was stuck in the range of 55 to 65 only a bit more than a year ago, even after the recent plunge. Bitcoin 95,000 today is still showing a pretty great return. We've put in a very strong base for support around here, said Saylor, who has added his comfortable Bitcoin could rally from these levels. MicroStrategy is lowered by 40% on early Friday, as we already mentioned 3 times now. For investors, the rumors weren't far-fetched. Strategy now holds more than 641,000 Bitcoin, worth roughly $22.5 billion. While the company's market cap has fallen for that value, the gap has pushed MicroStrategy's market to net asset value, MNAV, below 1, a metric that suggests the stock may be undervalued. In that light, selling some Bitcoin to stabilize the company might seem rational, and we'll have to wait and see if he does that. He has told his shareholders before, if they have to, they will have to, but it's not something that he really wants to do. All right, moving on. I think he just said it personally because he had to appease to the new investors that don't quite understand the space just yet. All right, moving on. What else we got, guys? Anything else breaking today? Most of the stuff is everything we covered this morning. There was very little new headlines that really popped up. I kind of skimmed through it before the live. I really didn't see anything, and it isn't really much coverage around XRP's ETF either, other than the day that they went live and how much they had in the first daily volume. That was significant, but it's been kind of mute and underneath all this sell pressure for the entire world economy, right? We're probably gonna see some shit here in the next few weeks. It's crazy. Looks like the trolls are in the chat. Says you will be safe on Delta, says Strawberry. How do you know, Delta? How do you know, Strawberry? How do you know? All right. MasterCard Thune's link expands global stablecoin transfers, and yeah, I really don't feel anything today, guys. I really don't feel any of these articles. It was actually hard to find stuff this morning too. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Binance by the end of 2025. They do one of these every single week. Let me see what this one shows, though. I'm curious. As this came out 2 hours ago with the current sell pressure in the markets, let's find out. ChatGPT forecasts a 330 year-to-end breakout for XRP. Cool. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what we were looking at before all this downturn, right? And I have to reiterate for those who didn't catch the morning live stream either. We also covered JP Morgan. I'll just go to X. I already shared it on X. I'll just go back there. JP Morgan also coming out and saying that they expected, this is before we actually dipped, before we dipped to 94,000. JP Morgan did say that JP Morgan sees Bitcoin support at 94K. Keeps 170,000 upside in case just intact. So they're still bullish that we're going to get through this and see $170,000. This actually came out on the 13th, so this was a day before we dropped. So kind of interesting takeaway. Just wanted to point that out again. All right. So yeah, what else we got? ChatGPT predicting, XRP 330%. We're looking at Solana. What are we looking at Solana? Currently, what is Solana even at today? It just felt like a ton. After touching $250 in January and falling near $800 in April, Solana now trades around $144. Still a 51% its previous all-time high of 293. Optimistic target. ChatGPT is looking at $1,000 for Solana. BNB, I really don't care, but they're looking at $931 at the current price. They're looking at $1,400 or $1,300 before the by the end of the year. That's crazy. And then we've got was it Maxi Doge? What the hell is this crap? All right, I'm moving on. I'm over it. Let's look at the overall metrics. I'm a little over the place today, guys, because I have to make this kind of quick, like I said. But I do have a crypto fear and greed index coming in at 10 now, and extreme fear, probably the lowest we've ever seen on the channel. I think we may have been at 6 before. I don't remember though. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy.
You're gonna win so much.
That's nuts. Looking at the stock market as it ended today too in the red, as everything else did, and we're looking at 22 in extreme fear as well. All right. Oh, sorry. So both sides. And what about the Dixie? How about the Dixie? Did we at least break down the 99 flat? It's hanging out there. It's teetering. It's teetering. We did test. Looked like 99 flat. Yeah, 99 flat this morning, early morning, and then we just kind of came back up and went sideways on the Dixie. We need this to tank, guys. We need this to tank. Doesn't look good though. I'm hoping we get one more bounce, but that could recover. Head and Shoulders is there, but it's rolling over after Friday. I mean, it's Friday. We'll have to see. We'll see what happens come Monday on the futures markets on Sunday. All right, guys. Let's look at the daily hodl. Anything else here? Healthcare firm handing out $75,000 per person after data breach exposes names, photos, etc. Legendary investor Michael Burry bets $282 million on 6 stocks after turning bearish on Nvidia and Palantir. We can take a look at that real quick. SEC chair unveils Project Crypto plan to classify crypto assets. This is stuff we read this morning. We covered most of that other stuff this morning. All right, let's see what we have here. Data from the firm's latest U.S. Securities Exchange Commission 13 filing shows that the Burry's Scion Asset Management open call positions on the pharmaceutical firm Pfizer and energy giant Halliburton in quarter 3 of 2025. Scion holds $6 million in call options on PFE worth $152.8 million. And $2.5 million call on options Hall worth $61.5 million. Call options represent the speculative bets that the underlying assets will rise. Hal and Pfizer are both listed on the New York Stock Exchange. And Burry's hedge fund also added 125,000 shares worth $23.9 million in New York Stock Exchange listed stock Molina Healthcare, MOH, alongside the new positions of the SLM Corporation, SLM, the Brokers Group, preferred stock. I don't know. Science shows data shows that Science owns $13 million worth of SLM. Berkshire also increased the firm's existing Lululemon Athletica holding from 50,000 to 100,000 shares worth 17 million. Earlier in the month, Burry grabbed headlines after Cyan's 13F filing showed that he had placed bearish bets on chipmaker Nvidia and artificial intelligence firm Palantir. According to the filing, Burry opened 912 million worth of puts on Palantir and 186 million on Nvidia. Burry announced the closure of Cyan Asset Management in the letter to investors dated October 27th, citing a misalignment between the value assessments and current market valuations. He plans to liquidate the assets and return capital by the year's end. So he's out. He's done. All right. You can't handle the heat. Get out of the seat. I guess. All right, let's take a look at bubbles. Let's take a look at bubbles real quick. Bubbles on the day, obviously looking pretty bloody. There are some big takeaways here. We have Zcash up another 25% on the day, heading back up to, I think, a new high. No, damn close though. Close. $644. I guess it's about $70 away from a new high on Zcash. Possibly could get rejected at 675 though. Yeah. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out over the weekend. Dash is up 21.8% as well. Starknet back in the top 100. Crazy. That was in short order. Up 20% on the day. And soon up 11 points in rank, 24% on the day. Everything else is pretty much down and to the right. On average of 3 to 4%. I think now it's come up. It's not too bad now. Down an average of 1.8%. Bitcoin taking 4% of that plunge. Speaking of which, how is Bitcoin dealing with, dominance? Still hanging out around 60% dominance, even after the huge pullback we saw today in CoinMarketCap. Total market cap of all assets in crypto right now sitting at 3.23 trillion. The lowest we've seen in a long time. I think like 60 days. Damn, guys, this hurts. Since May, since May. We're taking us all the way back to the beginning of May. Crazy. Okay, what else we got? We could get into a little bit of, I guess I can do my top picks today on the pullback. I still like Sui where it's at today. It might have gotten pushed back up now. I don't even see it. The bubbles are definitely not that big. Let me look at the week here. Sui's only down 18% now on the week. That's not too bad. It's down 5% on the day. It was down 11% this morning. And of course it's been down about the similar amount every single morning now in the last 2 or 3 days. Sui's down about to $1.76. Not too bad. If you want to pick that up, it's still one of my top picks on here. But Fetch AI, damn, is down 27%. We got Filecoin down 36%. A lot of the AI coins, of course, that really didn't trend at all or go anywhere. Those trends are, of course, coming back and giving a lot more back to the markets. ICP's down 33%. Again, all the ones we just saw run, right? Filecoin, Fetch AI, ICP, all pulling back now. I don't know. I feel like I still like Sui. Polygon's down 16%. That's not too bad. On the week, I definitely want to see something closer to 20 with real utility that hasn't had these huge boom and busts yet either. I like Sui because it still hasn't gotten back to $3 in a while. That's got to be my top pick. I don't think I can even pick a top two today. It's such a mess. If you go into the month, maybe there's something big here that might swoon me. But Sui down 35 on the month. I mean, that's it. All day. It would just be DCAing into Sui. If I had to pick two, I'd say AVAX. Screw it. AVAX. And then the top 200 assets here. We're looking at on the day. Jesus. Nothing really huge, really. Nothing really huge that I like, anyway. The biggest move we have here is Pendle, down 14%. CCD, that's Concordium, down 20%, almost 19.2, and SPX 6900 down 13%. All right, on the week, we're looking at the week here. Any good opportunities here? We're looking for like 20s, 30s. It looks like Jido's still down 27%. Again, I don't know. DCAing is never a bad opportunity. I mean, never look a gift horse in the mouth, especially if we're going to be coming back for another pass in the month of December. Only maybe early December, end of this month, but you just never know what's going to happen, guys. Maybe it's time to just sit back and just wait, right? Distract yourself, as I said this morning. Distract yourself with something you really love and enjoy, and just forget about the market for a while. That's what I personally would do. But DCAing in the top 200 here, I don't know. I'm just not feeling anything. I feel like everything we've talked about, we've covered so many times. ZBEX down 25% on the month now. Maybe wait for 30% on at least on the month. I like a lot of these assets, but nothing really grabs me today. There's blood, but it could be more blood. I got Jido down 65% on the year, or on the 3 month. On the 3 month, not even the year. Probably hasn't done anything on the year. So down 78% on the year. That could be a huge opportunity if we get this entire thing going again. Pith fell into the top 200. I don't remember when that even happened. I guess just recently, within the last day or so. When did it fall? I guess just today. Yeah, just today. Pith just entered the top 200. That's down 76% now on the year. I think that might be my top pick, actually. I changed everything. Something swooned me. Pith, of course, we already know that Pith is going to be picked up by the U.S. government at some point in Trump's administration. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. I'll be reporting to you soon. I gotta head out. It is 8:30, and I gotta make sure I am not too late. Flying out at 10, so I will have. I'll give you guys an update and let you know how it's gonna be on Monday. I just gotta find a place I can really set up and feel comfortable before I start live streaming. So I'll let you know how that goes. Oh jeez, Strawberry Dragon says all this stuff ended up being garbage anyway. I think my kids love the excitement of opening presents. Are you talking about Christmas? What the hell? I missed a whole bunch of stuff in the chat, guys. I'm sorry. We're not going out like this. Let's freaking go. Parabolic move, says Beebs. Let's go. How's that for ending live stream? God damn it, guys. I'll miss you guys. Last one for the live. Last live in the studio. It's crazy. Last live for the studio. For maybe the rest of the year. I don't know if I'm coming back. I don't know. I just don't know. Like I said yesterday, I'm gonna miss the guitar. If Bitcoin drops another 10%, I'll just buy Bitcoin until the market sentiment improves, says Ben. Not a bad play. I think there's always going to be a lot of exposure to Bitcoin, especially in the near future with everything moving into 2026. Every country, every institution, every company, you guys know the drill. I'll save you. I'll save you my rant just one more time. All right, guys, have a great night. Thanks again for coming out. I apologize for this one being a short one, but I gotta get shit done. I'll catch you later. Peace.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade a montage. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, hold my king. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Whom I want to more come and let me huddle forever more and more and more and more and more. I long for Hollywood talking and going. In other words, I choose you. In other words, I love you.
Cody Bakula with a $5 super chat on the end of the live stream. Let's go. Yeah, of course I had to come back and cheers to you, brother. Thank you. Thanks, safe travels. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I appreciate it. My partner in crime, Cody Bakula. And thanks again, Cliff, for that $20 super chat earlier. And again, guys, I wish I could take the guitar, Cliff. I wish I could. I just have nothing. I have no room. I would take it apart and put it back together. Maybe it's just the whole thing. Maybe in my travels I might find another one. I doubt it. I'm really picky when it comes to guitars. Anyway, guys, take the NES with you, says Ben. I mean, I'll have a computer. I can play it. I can play it anytime I want. Oh, geez, guys. Cody is the shit, says Max. Oh, my God. Yes, of course. Of course, Cody is. Again, shout out to you guys. Thanks for all the love and support for the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. I cannot believe where we are. Oh, God. Cody has made freaking charms to give away for the channel, guys. This is nuts. It's nuts. Oh, man. We had a Till the Hun drop 100 yesterday on one of the redder days we've ever had in the past few months. I mean, guys, I really appreciate all the love. Check the snake before we go. What in the hell is that? Oh my God. The $2 super chat. With this. What is this? What is this?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
What the hell? I don't want peace.
All right, what's happening, Bulls and Bears?
Geez.
We're back with
all right, guys, I gotta head out. So have a good one, and I will catch you later. And stay safe. Hopefully I'll be safe too. We'll see. We'll see how Delta treats me. Thanks again, Strawberry, for reassuring me. You're gonna check me in? You're gonna check me in? Oh my God. All right, guys. I'll catch you later. Yes, soon. Later.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises. We've made the trade. The rope.
Cliff, damn you! Come in with a $10 super chat. Oh my God, Cliff. Z-Pick to a freaking dollar. You're not gonna let me leave, are you? I gotta go. Oh man. I just wanted to give you guys an update. Cliff at the buzzer. He's at the buzzer. Right on the buzzer. Alright, guys. Alright. This time I really gotta go, okay? So have a good one. I'll see you on Monday. I'll update you guys, of course, on the proper channels. If you aren't on, damn it, Jake the Snake, $2 super chat. We ain't leaving, Cliff. $2. Run. Cliff says run. All right, I'm gonna take Cliff and run. Thank you, Cliff. Bye.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises. We've made the trade. The robots are rising. Ice taking the crown. But we're the ones that won't back down.